I'm going to show you how to rearrange the expression 2y equals the cube root of 7x minus 5 to make x the subject. So when we need to make x the subject, it means we have to rearrange the equation so that it says x equals on one side and then on the other side everything else, okay? So to do that, I need to undo all of the operations around x until x is by itself. So the first step here is to remove this cube root. The opposite of cube rooting is to cube. So I have to cube both sides of this equation, okay? So I'm going to cube 2y, and remember you're cubing all of it, so I would put it in brackets to start with. And when you cube root, they cancel each other out and you're just left with 7x minus 5. Okay, so next what you can do is simplify the left-hand side. Remember you're cubing everything inside the bracket. So 2 cubed is 8, 2 times 2 times 2, and y cubed is y cubed. If the power here on the y was something different, remember you're multiplying the power inside the bracket with the power outside of the bracket. Okay, so in this case it's 1 multiplied by 3, which is 3, okay? And the right-hand side I'm just leaving as it is for now. Okay, so next what I need to do is do the opposite of subtracting 5. So I'm going to now add 5 to both sides of the equation. Remember, if you do something to one side of the equation, you have to do the same thing on the other side to keep it balanced. So on the right-hand side, negative 5 plus 5 is 0. They cancel each other out. And on the left-hand side, we now have 8y cubed plus 5. And this is equal to 7x. Okay, so we've nearly finished. So for the final step, x is currently being multiplied by 7. The opposite of multiplying by 7 is to divide by 7. Okay, so we're dividing by 7 on the right-hand side, but also on the left-hand side. Okay, so if we take the left-hand side, so far we have 8y cubed plus 5. And if we're dividing all of it by 7, we can now write it as a fraction like this to show that all of these terms are being divided by 7. And on the right-hand side, 7 divided by 7 is 1, so we're left with 1x. Remember, they cancel each other out. So now we've finished, okay? We've rearranged the expression to make x the subject.